Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about the loaded lions of main city, a little update, and I want to talk about Crocoin's price, as well as the overall macroeconomics of the crypto market, the traditional market, and kind of where I think we're going as a whole. So, as of today, we are down a little bit, but you know what, guys? Don't be sweating. Don't be sweating. This is okay. This is okay, guys, because we're truly consolidating. Like I've been talking about in the previous few videos, Bitcoin and Ethereum, honestly, Bitcoin needs to just be trading above 19,500, get some weekly candle closes above that price target, and I'll be okay. I'm not stressing about this. We're in pure consolidation right now after a little bit of a move to the upside, so I'm not super worried about that. And I will say that you see Solana, Dot, some of these other coins bleeding heavy because honestly, what's happening right now is people are taking some profits out of their altcoins, putting it back into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and putting it into stable coins, prepared for a drop. This really tells me that people think that they think the market's going to drop, but I don't know. I don't think that we have a long way to go down. We'll look at some charts here shortly. And guys, also, we are at 6,700 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, as well as giving away this loaded Lion NFT at 25,000 subscribers. And each month you're a YouTube member, you get plus 10 additional entries, guys. So super excited to give that away. But so let's talk about loaded Lion main city. Because we all know that the land sale, there was a bunch of hiccups. There's a lot of issues, and we are waiting on an announcement this January. And I will say it is awfully quiet still, and it would really behoove the Loaded Lion Main City NFT group to come out with this information. They need to announce this announcement because there's a lot of uncertainty. I mean, the floor prices have been dropping, and especially when Crocoin was pumping, that would have been a perfect time to announce something bullish about this project or sprinkle a little bit of a teaser out there. So I will say that they have posted this. Wow, this brings back a ton of great memories. Who else is adding an arcade machine to their mansion's game room in Main City? So, I don't know if everything they do is deliberate, but I know there's lots of projects that every single thing that they post on social media or on Discord is deliberate. So let's say we can put an arcade machine in our land. What do you think its purpose will be? Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. I personally think that maybe if there's an arcade machine, you can maybe play with other friends, maybe. Or maybe you can play mini games inside of the game. But time will tell. It could be many, many different things. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think because I'm really curious about this. So I also want to talk about Bitcoin, okay? Because Jamie Dimon says this. Jamie Dimon is basically the CEO and head of JP Morgan Chase Bank. Bitcoin is a hyped up fraud. And then underneath here, Bitcoin Archive writes, JPMorgan has been fined 36.1 billion since 2000. Serial fraudsters. Very, very interesting. Let's just listen to the first 10 seconds of this interview. It's very, very intriguing, guys.
What we're talking about, we pretty much always have some crypto conversation with you. I'm just curious because I don't think we've talked to you since.
I think all that's been a waste of time, and why you guys waste any breath on it is totally beyond me.
Because you just think the whole thing just is
going to zero,
and it's fake.
Bitcoin itself is a hyped up fraud.
I think that's just absolutely hilarious. I was in a Chase Bank a couple months ago, and I was talking to the bank teller, and I was talking about cryptocurrency with them. And they told me, actually, JP Morgan Chase are actually doing a lot to really adopt cryptocurrency, and they're not just going to let it go to the wayside. Then you turn to the other side, and you see this interview of JP Morgan calling Bitcoin a fraud. It's great. It's great. The CEO of all of the Chase banks saying that, guys, it's a club. You're not in it. Be really careful what you listen to and watch, and be really careful what you pull your data from when you're doing your own research, because this man is he's working with crypto. He's integrating crypto into the banking system. He's doing that for Chase Bank. He's doing that. But then you have him on the news saying this to everybody. It's wild. It's wild out there. So let's talk about Crocoin, guys, because right now we are coming back down to this level here at about 6.0684 cents. I think that's completely okay. I would honestly like to see something like this where we come here, retest this, and resume off and move up to 10 cents. I think that's very, very possible. And honestly, a lot of that will have to do with what's going on with Bitcoin and the overall traditional market with the S&P 500. But I will say that this is very doable here, and I'm not worried about Crocoin's price action until we break below this. And honestly, I'm not that worried until we break even below this. But I think that we're not going to have that happen unless a black swan event or the Federal Reserve comes out just swinging and is super hawkish and wants to bring the market down. But look at this also. We have a green dot on the 4-hourly candle on the 4-hourly chart from Market Cipher indicating that we should probably be having a move to the upside. So stay tuned for that. If you want to use Market Cipher, it's one of the best trading indicators. I love using it. We have a discount link in the description box below. And we also have leverage trading platform referral links that will give you a bunch of money for free to sign up, deposit. Please leverage trade at your own risk. It is very, very dangerous. It can be, but it can also be a very, very good tool. So keep that in mind. So let's look over at Bitcoin, guys. So Bitcoin right now, we are still above my level that I'm watching of 19,500. We are still above that level, and we're okay, guys. We're okay. You know, we're at 20,900. We're just the entire market is basically consolidating. It's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. We need some pullbacks. Honestly, a little pullback goes a long way. I'll say that because when you have markets that just launch up, I mean, you see this. You get a huge move to the downside. Huge move to the downside. When you have some sort of consolidation like this, you have more range to go to the upside, more time to head to the upside. You know, it's it's very good. It's very good. We want to see pullbacks. We don't want to just go straight up because then we'll come straight down. We need to build a foundation. We need to stair step to the upside. And honestly, guys, if we stay below, or excuse me, above 19,500, I am going to be very, very bullish on the overall market because I mean, let's be honest here, guys. Bitcoin is the tide that raises all the boats. And honestly, the S&P 500 right now, we are getting very, very close to breaking above this resistance level. And, you know, we've been testing this over and over and over again. Every Tuesday, I've been seeing some memes about this. Like Benjamin Cohen's been talking about Tuesdays are the dreaded day, retesting so we get rejected off. But, guys, we have not been rejected off just yet. There is time to recover. And like I've been saying, once we break above this resistance level, I think we're having a risk-on asset rally. Really curious to see come February with the FOMC and what they're going to really be saying, what the Federal Reserve is going to say. Hopefully, if we don't raise rates or we stay at the same rates or even get like a 0.25 basis point rate hike, I think that's going to be bullish. You know, it's crazy that we've gotten to that point where even a rate hike is bullish. It's pretty funny. But, you know, you see this too, the money flow decreasing down, and there's going to be a move coming soon. There has to be a move coming soon. This is we're starting to get in that squeeze territory, so keep that in mind. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please consider liking, subscribing to this channel, and also becoming a member. Because as a member, you get lots of cool perks. You get these loyalty badges, as well as these custom emojis to use on our live streams every Tuesday, Thursday, 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, as well as you get access to our private Discord where we give NFT Alpha, NFT Whitelist giveaways. We have trading signals, and a little bit more one-on-one time with Crypto Kip and I. So it's pretty exciting. And also, each month you are a YouTube member, you get an additional 10 entries to this loaded Lion NFT, which is about $2,500. So super excited to give that away. Super excited to give more things away. Guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.